ASTI has traditionally focused on input indicators, but as part of its 2015-2016 survey round in Africa, it also included research output indicators. These output indicators are still being developed and still being expanded, but we already can give you a brief overview of what ASTI has collected to date. Output indicators measure the quantity of goods and services produced by agricultural research agencies. But it is very important to note that these output indicators are actually not a qualitative measure of the performance of research agencies. So to really assess the quality of research outputs, other measures such as things like citation rates or adoption of new varieties would be more constructive measures to assess the performance of agricultural research agencies. The first type of output indicators that we've started collecting is on the number of peer-reviewed publications that agricultural research agencies produce. And we've made a distinction between 5 different types of peer-reviewed publications: international journals, regional journals, national journals, books, and book chapters. We want you to only report these peer-reviewed scientific publications and do not report any workshop procedures or things like extension leaflets, brochures, annual reports, or any other non-scientific publications or non-peer-reviewed publications. Another output indicator that we've recently started collecting is the number of new crop varieties that agricultural research agencies release on an annual basis. And we've collected information on the name of the crop, the name of the product or technology, the type of the product or technology or the crop, the year in which it was released, and if the new crop or technology is in any way protected, and if so, how, through patents or otherwise. Only new crops or new technologies that were developed through in-house research should be reported. So varieties, for example, that were released by a CGIAR center and then just tested locally by a national agricultural research institute and then disseminated on the national market should not be reported because those were not developed thanks to in-house research. Under new technologies, we would like you to report any non-crop products, including fertilizers, pesticides, agricultural machinery, livestock breeds, tree and fish species, etc.